Kindly refer to the summary regarding elimination of ponds from major villages of Punjab to improve the sanitation, eradication of vector diseases through bioremediation, initiated by this department on 7 August 2013, wherein Chief Minister was pleased to approve the scheme through LGNCD Department. First up, the approved use of reclaimed land was playground, construction of park, schools, health centers, water supply or sewerage structures, veterinary centers, union councils, office, Eidgah and Janazgah. First up, in the first phase during 2013-14, total 77 schemes of ponds were taken up from the villages having population of 10,000 or above. First up, in the second phase 2014-15, other 77 schemes of elimination of ponds had been taken up, out of which work on 35 schemes has been completed and remaining will be completed by 31/5/2015. First up, the project has brought significant changes in the local environment from where the ponds have been eliminated. First up, the local communities have appreciated this initiative of the government for provision of healthy environment. First up, unfortunately, despite best efforts by the department, the reclaimed lands have reported to be encroached at 3 sites. First up, the respective district governments are being pursued for removal of encroachments. First up, the district governments were also directed to come up with the proposal to build the approved projects on the reclaimed land and also allocate funds for the purpose. First up, the DG have taken up 10 projects on the reclaimed land and funds for establishment of parks sites have been allocated by the DG. First up, the status of reclaimed land of ponds and the area expected to be reclaimed is 298 acre. Out of this 223 acre area has been taken over by the DG for the 12 schemes. First up, it is pertinent to note that the cost of 298 acres of reclaimed land comes to about rupees 4.25 billion based on the average market cost of rupees 89,000 per marla. First up, keeping in view the aforestated situation, there is a likelihood of encroachment, misuse of reclaimed valuable land if the same is not utilized for building appropriate facilities for the communities. First up.